Morning students, in previous class you studied properties of whole numbers, in that closure property, again distributive property. Now we will study about associative of addition and multiplication of property. This in that multiplication and addition, the statement of addition, when you add, you can group the numbers in any combination like a plus b plus c. I am created here group starting two numbers, again here last two numbers. So I will take one example. A I will take as a 5, b as a 7, c as a 3. So a plus b, 5 plus 7 plus 3 equal to, again 5 how much, 5 plus 7 plus 3. Here just I created group here starting two numbers, again last two numbers. If you added two numbers, answer will be same. So 5 plus 7 is 12 plus 3. Again I will write this one as it is. I solved first in bracket numbers, after that this one I written as it is. Next 5 I will write as it is. In bracket they given 7 plus 3, answer is 10. So 12 plus 3 is 15, 5 plus 10 is 15. If you created group in any combination, the answer should be same. This only associative property of addition. Now associative property of multiplication. When you multiply, you can group the numbers in any combination. Same thing here they put it here plus, here multiplication. A into B in bracket into C, A into B into C, again in bracket B into C are written. I will take A as a 2, B as a 3, C as a 4. Just I will put the values in this. A is how much they given? 2 into 3 into 4. In starting two numbers are written in group. Again here starting two numbers are written group. Here last numbers I will written in group, but answer will be same. See here 2 3s are 6 into 4. Again 2 I solved in first in bracket term. After that I will take this one 2. 3 4s are 12. 6 4s are how much? 24. Again 12 2s are 24. Now both answer is same in multiplication. So associative property of addition and multiplication today you studied. Now next property is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Statement. It states that multiplying a sum by a number gives the same result as multiplying each addend and addend by the number and then adding the products together. This statement, the general, I will take one general formula, that one is A into B plus C. Here multiplying the sum of addition. So A into B 1, starting these two we have to multiply, after that A into C. So A into B is 1, again plus this plus as it is, A into C is 1 more. In normal, if I taken A as a 5, B as a 4, again C as a 3, then in normally will you multiply like this, only this one 5 into 4 plus 3, because A is 5, B is 4, C is 3, only this one I have taken. Normally first we will add in bracket 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, 7 5 is 35. The answer is 35 usually. In distributive property, just we distributed like A into B is 1 plus A into C is 1 more. We have to multiply these two number, answer will come. Again these two answer will come. We have to add this this statement will be say. So I will take this now. Answer is 35. This one I will take as a LHS. LHS means left hand side. Now RHS, this one right hand side. RHS means right hand side. Right hand side they given A into B. Just we distributed this one plus A into C. So A is how much here? 5, B is 4, again plus I will write, again A is 5, C is 3. So I will multiply these two, 5 4 ja 20, again plus 5 3 ja 15, 20 plus 15 is how much? 35. 20 plus 15 is 35. See here, in LHS, RHS, both sides are same. This only distributed property of multiplication over addition. See here, statement, it states that the multiplying a sum by a number, see here, multiplying a sum by a number, sum, these are the sum by a number, gives the same result. It gives same result as multiplying each addend by the number and then adding the products together. These two also will give same. This only distributive property of multiplication. Now next one, identity property in addition. It states that when a whole number is added to 0, the sum itself, means I will take one example, 7 plus 0. The answer is itself. See here, I have taken this one as a whole number. If you add it to 0, answer will come itself. Again one more example, 5 plus 0, answer is 5. If you taken any whole number, again if you add it to 0, answer will come itself. Which number will take on, that number only will come in the sum. In that identity property of addition, identity is 0 is the identity number. Again next one is identity property in multiplication. It states that when a whole number is multiplied by 1, the product is itself. See here, in identity property of addition, 0 is the identity, but here 1 is the identity in multiplication. So I will take one example, 10 into 1, answer is 10. So take any whole number, if you multiply it with 1, answer will come itself. Itself means which number will you take, no, that number only will come in product. Next one, again 1 into 15. Here 1 is identity and 15 is a whole number. So answer will come 15 only. And which number will you take, that number only will come in the product. This only identity property in multiplication. Thank you.